Okay, so there is a tiny, but I think this is a really cool feature on Kimi AI, and this one does not exist on ChatGPT or even Gemini AI. So the name of the feature is Save Prompt, and essentially you can write a prompt, you can save it, and you can reuse the same prompt over and over again on the Kimi platform. So again, it is very simple, but it will save time, and this one does not exist yet on the other platforms like ChatGPT or Gemini. So let me show you how you can use the Save Prompt feature in Kimi AI. So just navigate to kimi.com, and after that you can log into your Kimi account, and you can click the name of your account and then go to settings. So here, let's click Save Prompt, and you can add your own prompts. Now here I have a prompt that I have prepared, and basically this will force AI to answer in a bullet list format. Let me just copy it, and let's put that onto this area. And here there is a sort of shortcut, and it's called trigger word. If you include the word or the keyword into your prompt or question, then this instruction will be used. Now let's say I'm going to call this one points. Oh, sorry about that. Points, complete, and click new. Yeah, the UI language is not very clear because, well, this is a company from China, and usually the translation from the Chinese to English language is kind of confusing, but I think you get the idea. Now I'm going to close this, and let's go back to a new chat, and let's say I want to add something like maybe, can you suggest the best 4K webcam that I can purchase right now? And the way you use the Save Prompt is by clicking this button, and then you can click the prompt that you want to utilize, or you can also use the shortcut. But the shortcut here is not very consistent. I tried this several times and it doesn't always work, so I don't know exactly how it actually works. So my recommendation right now is just to click the Save Prompt menu and then select the prompt that you want to use. So that's usually a bit more reliable. Now after that, you can send a message and just wait for Kimi to actually deliver the answer, and you'll see that this time it will just create an answer in a bullet list format. So it is actually very concise, and usually if you're asking something like product recommendation using Kimi, it's going to give you paragraphs, bullet points, table, etc. But in this case, since I'm forcing it to use only bullet points, then it will only deliver the answer in this particular format. So yeah, that's essentially how you can use the Save Prompt feature in Kimi AI. It is not very intuitive at the moment, and it's still very basic, but I think it will be improved very soon. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.